Well, it's been hell, as usual, but I think it's nearly over. I can see a concrete wall over there. That's a runoff. So that looks like a dam to me. Made it. We blinking well made it. Took long enough. There's a load of people swimming down there. We made it. Huh? I said we made it. Oh dearie me. And there's no that's a nice sized lake, isn't it, huh? I don't know if there's a way down to the beach there. Only one way to find out. Time to go walkies. Are they speaking Chinese? They're not speaking Thai, are they? It's a beautiful sized lake though, isn't it? Huh? Well, I suppose we might go and look at the well, no, there's not much point looking at the beach. We're never going to get a jet ski up there, are we? Not like that little bit. Not until I've got a four-wheel drive. So, here endeth this episode of Let's Get Lost. Quite probably when no other phalangs have got lost. Later then.